Toss-up question from 7th grade life science. One form of passive transport in cells where molecules move from one area of high concentration to diffusion. That is correct. This is 8th grade's bonus question from Spanish. A Spanish infinitive always ends in what letter? A Spanish infinitive always ends in what letter?
R.
That is correct. This is a toss-up question from 6th grade social studies. What is the system of government and social organization where land and protection are exchanged for work and service?
Feudalism.
That is correct. 7th grade, this is your bonus question. Who named the Pacific Ocean, and what does Pacific mean? This is just for 7th grade.
Ferdinand Magellan, and it means peaceful. Peaceful ocean.
That is correct. Toss-up question from Algebra 1. In the equation 5y equals 2x, the constant of variation is blank. In the equation 5y equals 2x, the constant of variation is blank.
Three.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. 7th grade, you have an opportunity to answer that question. It is in the equation 5y equals 2x, the constant of variation is blank.
Two-thirds squared.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 2/5. This is a toss-up question from U.S. History, 8th grade. In the election of 1800, two of the candidates tied, each having 73 electoral votes. Who were those candidates? In the election of 1800, two of the...
Thomas Jefferson and John Adams.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. 8th grade, you have the chance to answer this question. In the election of 1800, two of the candidates tied, each having 73 electoral votes. Who were those candidates? Just get that. Okay. The correct answer is Thomas Jefferson and Aaron Burr. Toss-up question from 6th grade grammar. List the 4 demonstrative adjectives.
This, that, these, those.
That is correct. This is a bonus question for 7th grade. Comes from Algebra 1. Solve the system 4x minus 3y equals 2 is the first equation. The second equation is negative 5x plus 3y equals 2. Solve the system. First equation is 4x minus 3y equals 2. The second equation is negative 5x plus 3y equals 2. Time. The correct answer is negative 4, negative 6. This is a toss-up question from 8th grade English. Is this sentence written in active or passive voice? The question was answered by the student. Passive. That is correct. This is bonus question for 8th grade from physical science. There are blank groups and blank periods on the periodic table. There are blank groups and blank periods on the periodic table. I would need 2 answers.
and 9.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. It's 18 and 7. This is a toss-up question from 7th grade Bible. What is the word that means God does not change?
Immutable.
That is correct. This is a bonus question for 8th grade from English. What are 4 key criteria for evaluating the credibility of a source? What are 4 key criteria for evaluating the credibility of a source? Time. The correct answer is authority, accuracy, visual, or purpose or bias. This is a toss-up question from 6th, 7th, or 8th grade art. The Starry Night is an oil painting by which Van Gogh? That is correct. This is a bonus question for 8th grade. It comes from 7th grade art. The response of vision to wavelengths of light is color. That is correct. All right, pause the timer for a second. Okay, the correct score at the moment should be 25 to 15.
30. 30.
Ms. Myers? Okay, sorry, the correct score should be... It should be 30 to 15 based on... Thank you, Ms. Myers. All right. We can resume the timer. Toss-up question from 8th grade English. What is the purpose of including a counter-argument in an argumentative essay?
So it does not seem biased.
That is correct. Seventh grade, here is your bonus question from 6th grade science. Name the 3 main categories of rocks. Name the 3 main categories of rocks. Time. The correct answer is igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. This is a toss-up question from Algebra 1. In order for lines to be parallel, the slopes must be blank.
The same.
That is correct. Eighth grade, here's your bonus question. It comes from 7th grade. What do philosophies and religions have in common, and how are they different? What do philosophies and religions have in common, and how are they different? beliefs about being right or wrong, but only religions have gods. This is a toss-up question from the library. What is the search station that is used to find books in the... Time. All right. 8th grade, I will read the question. You guys can have an opportunity to answer it. What is the search station that is used...
You just did it.
What is the search station that is used to find books in the library called? You have a team, so I'm going to allow the team to...
Yeah, I think we want this kid.
The correct answer then is destiny. This is a toss-up question from 7th grade history. What Enlightenment thinker, writer, is famous for saying, all people have natural rights to life, liberty?
John Locke.
That is correct. Seventh grade, here's your bonus. Oh, 7th grade, this is your bonus question. And if we can stop the timer while I'm reading this, and we'll have an opportunity to switch in. 7th grade, this is your bonus question. What document framed the United States government before the Constitution went into effect?
Declaration of Independence.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. It is the Articles of Confederation. All right, at this time, we can do our substitution. All right, are both teams ready? All right, the timer will continue on the conclusion of this question. Toss-up for both teams. Comes from 6th grade grammar. In regards to grammar, what are the conjunctions represented in fanboys? Can you repeat that?
For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. 7th grade, I'll repeat the question. In regards to grammar, what are the conjunctions represented in fanboys? Time. The correct ones were for, and, or, but, yet, so, and nor. But did he say nor? Okay, I heard or, and I did not hear the nor. Okay, sorry. My apologies, I did not hear the nor come out. I just heard or. So that will be 5 points awarded to 8th grade. Eighth grade, this is your bonus question based off of that correct answer. Comes from 6th grade Bible. What term means to get back, to fix a broken relationship? What term means to get back, to fix a broken relationship?
Redemption.
That is correct. All right, this is a toss-up question for both teams from pre-algebra. Compute the following 3 times 2 squared plus 4 divided by 2. Compute. uh,
7.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. I will repeat it. In 8th grade, you have an opportunity to answer. Compute the following. 3 times 2 squared plus 4 divided by 2.
8.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 14. Toss-up question for both teams coming from band. Name 2 instruments from the woodwind family.
Flute and clarinet.
That is correct. Seventh grade, this is your bonus question from 6th grade social studies. Name the 4 ancient river civilizations and the river for each. Name the 4 ancient river civilizations and the river for each. I'm sorry, time was up before you started your answer. The correct answer is Mesopotamia with Tigris, Egypt, the Nile, Indus Valley with Indus River, and China with the Yellow River. Toss-up question coming from 7th grade English. However, for example, next and in conclusion are all types of what?
Transition.
That is correct. This is a bonus question from 7th grade literature. What is the definition of a static character? What is the definition of a static character?
A static character is one in which that doesn't change throughout the whole book.
That is correct. This is a toss-up question from physical science. The fact that matter is not created or destroyed in any chemical or physical...
Law of conservation of mass.
That is correct. This is 8th grade's bonus question, and it comes from 7th grade history. What was the significance of England's glorious revolution? What was the significance of England's glorious revolution?
It was the first time in the country's history that no one died. It was peaceful transition of power.
I'm sorry, that is not correct. It permanently established England as a constitutional monarchy. It was no longer absolute. Toss-up question from 7th grade Bible. What theological term refers to the point in time when the eternal Son of God took on flesh?
Incarnate.
That is correct. 7th grade, this is your bonus question from Understanding the Times. What is someone called who says that we cannot know whether God exists? What is someone called who says that we cannot know whether God exists?
A deist.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is an agnostic. This is a toss-up question from physical science. The 2 factors that affect the gravitational attraction between objects are
Distance and mass of the object, with distance of the 2 objects and the mass of the 2 objects.
That is correct. All right, this is a 6th grade math bonus question, only for 8th grade. What is 1/8 times 4/5 times 2/3 times 5/8 in lowest terms? What is 1/8 times 4/5 times 2/3 times 5/8 in lowest terms? Time. The correct answer is 1/24. This is a toss-up question from computer tech. What two keywords are used in programming to create conditional statements that execute different code depending on one or more specific condition?
If then statements.
Can you pause the time, please? That is correct. You may restart the time. This is a bonus question coming from physical science. An atom that has an atomic number of 23 and an atomic mass of 51 will have how many protons, neutrons, and electrons? An atom that has an atomic number of 23 and an atomic mass of 51 will have how many protons, neutrons, and electrons? We'll need all three.
Is it 74?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. It is 23 protons, 23 electrons, and 28 neutrons. Toss-up question from pre-algebra. What is the square root of 196? Yep, she was just in for it. That is correct. 7th grade, here is your bonus question from 6th grade math. Solve the following using the order of operations. 2 plus 3 times 5 squared minus 8 divided by 4. 2 plus 3 times 5 squared minus 8 divided by 4. Please solve that using the order of operations.
$75.
That is correct, but she called time right before you started your answer, so that you will not get points for that. And that is the end of the round. All right. Congratulations to both of our teams. That was a great round. Congratulations to our 8th graders. You are this year's winner of the academic club. You guys go. All right. That was a lot of fun, and congratulations to our 8th graders this year. They are this year's academic bowl champions. But 7th grade and 6th grade, you guys did a great job, and I'm very proud of you guys as well.